Welcome back to the final episode of Becoming a LinkedIn Certified Marketing Expert series. If you watch my previous video, you will basically have an idea of what it takes to become a LinkedIn Certified Marketing Insider and then the steps that you need to take in order to become a LinkedIn Certified Marketing Expert. But you might ask yourself, is it really worth all of this effort? Is it really worth the effort to complete 3 certifications and also to apply for this program? So in this video, I would like to try to use this experience to share with you some of my thoughts on whether I think this whole experience is worth it, and also to share about my journey during the Global Expert Summit in London. And hopefully after this video, you'll be able to know whether it is worthwhile to pursue to become a LinkedIn Certified Marketing Expert. So without further ado, let's have a look at some of the highlights on the first 3 days. So on day 0, basically all of the marketing experts were flying in from all over the world to check in at nhow Hotel. As I previously mentioned in my first video, there is actually 30 experts representing 17 different countries. So it's a lot of people coming together just to make this event happen. And as you can see, the hotel is a really nice and fancy hotel. It has different British culture and pop elements into it. And even the toilet is actually really interesting. They have a gender neutral toilet where you also have really interesting children's toilet and then toilet for people with a handicap. Next is the hotel room. As you can see here, this is the hotel room. And then you can see the toilet, which is very neat and tidy. And then besides the really nice spacious toilet, you also have a bed for people to sleep in. And to my delight, there's also a cuppa. So in my previous video, I mentioned it's great to connect with other experts. So what we did is that the first night, some of us went to watch Stranger Things, the first shadow play. If you are a huge fan of Stranger Things, if you like visual effects, this is definitely a play that I recommend you can check out. Then the next day, we have breakfast at the nhow Hotel. So breakfast will all be at this nhow Hotel. It is inclusive, or is paid by LinkedIn. So then we have day 1 where we go to LinkedIn's head office in London. It's a very beautiful office, a lot of places for you to have photo opportunities, and I believe that a lot of experts did use these opportunities to take photos. And then you will enter into the workshop venue. This is where the workshop venue and all the happenings are happening. You can see that people are very excited for the day. And then we have the welcome and orientation ceremony where the LinkedIn team was giving us a warm welcome. Then we have a full day workshop, which is called Building Your B2B Thought Leadership Workshop, where Denise shared her experience about being an accidental B2B thought leader, and also how she's able to put all of this into a framework, which includes 7 steps on how you can build your thought leadership. It's really hard to share all of the steps with you, but one thing that I learned the most is how you can use some of your ideas and put them into framework to share with other people. Then we have lunch at the LinkedIn office. They have a beautiful venue overlooking London. And then after all the workshop for that day, we have headshots and interviews. So we were being interviewed and then we took our professional headshots. And that's pretty much wraps up what happened at the LinkedIn office. Then we have a global experts dinner. And then in this really nice and cozy venue, we were able to have networking, we were able to share our stories from where we are from, and also have a really good dinner with each other. So this is pretty much what happened on day 1. Then we have day 2. And day 2 is actually really meaningful because we have workshops by experts. So previous cohort experts came back to give us workshops. So the workshop is framed under 8 essential characteristics for B2B marketing leaders. So the first workshop is really about the marketing funnel and also what to do with that. The second one is more about data analytics, and the third one is really more about briefing your clients and also thought leadership. Finally, we have the graduation ceremony after all these workshops within a day. It's a jam-packed day, but this is a moment where we're all really excited and proud of ourselves. We were awarded the t-shirt and also the award, so it's a really exciting and proud moment that we have. Then we have a happy hour where LinkedIn very nicely created these cupcakes for us with the badges that we have. So that is a really intensive 3-day summary. As you can see, I've been trying to catch my breath in voice overing what happened, but I didn't want the video to be too long. But it gives an idea of basically what happened within those 3 days. And if you ask me, is it really worth that effort? I can tell you it is 100 or 200% worth the effort to at least try to apply for LinkedIn Certified Marketing Experts. So one thing that I have to shout out to the team is that these workbooks that they provided us during the workshop are very professionally made. So it has different frameworks that you can refer back to after the workshop, and also you can consolidate what you have learned in writing by filling in some of these frameworks inside the workbook. And not only that, throughout the whole experience, we're able to get a notebook from LinkedIn. So this is a notebook that LinkedIn has given to us where we can take notes during the workshop workshop and also to write down some of our thoughts. I was really happy, as you can see in the photo, to get one of the books from Denise, which is Ready to be a Thought Leader. And then what she also did is that she signed my book, Timothy, You Are Ready. So to be honest, I think a video like this is actually very short and it does not really do justice to all the preparations, all the work that has been done by LinkedIn and also the team to make all of these workshops happen. But I hope that this gives you a very quick overview and also an understanding of what this Global Expert Summit entails, and also how grateful I am to be part of this wonderful international community representing more than 17 countries. Now, after graduating from the LinkedIn Certified Marketing Experts program, it doesn't mean that your journey has ended. It is only just the beginning. In order to keep your certification, there are a few criteria that you have to fulfill. The first one is that there are compulsory activities that you have to do, which is host a training on LinkedIn Marketing Labs or train 50 people in a year. And also, you need to commit yourself to post on LinkedIn more frequently, at least once a week, and also record at least one nano video per year. So basically what these videos are, these are really short videos, unlike this one, where you share some of the tips and then you send it to LinkedIn, they will edit that and then post it for you. And then finally, you have to maintain your certification status. So basically, the 3 certifications that you got in the LinkedIn Certified Marketing Insider, you have to renew them. So you have to do all of this in order to maintain your LinkedIn Certified Marketing Expert status. But the good news is that all of this is only done within a year. So you have 1 year to make sure that all of these are done to renew your LinkedIn Certified Marketing Expert status for the next year. And if you ask me for my personal opinion, definitely this is a great opportunity and I'm really grateful for this opportunity and highly suggest you, if you do think that this could help you in your career, at least give this a try. If not, at least give the LinkedIn Certified Insider Certificates a try. And one of the reasons why I'm creating these deep video content, spending so much time on this, is because I really truly appreciate what LinkedIn and the team has done in order to provide this experience for all of us that were able to join from around the world. And so if you want to support what I'm doing, please feel free to give me a like, follow me on my socials, and also to subscribe to my channels. And so hopefully I'll see you in the next video. So thank you so much and see you around.